Copy multiple non-adjacent ranges in Excel. Trying to copy several non-adjacent ranges in Excel. Hold down Ctrl, select the ranges, and press Ctrl+C, but Excel displays an error instead of copying them together. Excel cannot copy multiple non-adjacent selections as one normal copy operation. The usual workaround is to copy and paste each range separately, which quickly becomes slow and repetitive. For a faster solution, use the Copy Ranges feature of Kutools for Excel. It lets you copy multiple non-adjacent ranges in one operation. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open your workbook. Hold down Ctrl and select all the ranges you want to copy. Then go to the Kutools tab. Click Ranges, and click Copy Ranges. In the Copy Multiple Ranges dialog box, the ranges to be copied are listed here. Then choose what you want to copy. You can copy all content or choose specific elements, such as formulas, values, formats, displayed values, and more. You can also keep the original row heights or column widths, or exclude hidden rows and columns. After choosing the options you need, click OK. Select the first cell where you want the copied ranges to be pasted. It can be on the current worksheet or another worksheet. Click OK again. All selected ranges are pasted together from the cell you selected. Kutools does more than save time, it also lets you choose what to copy. You can copy everything, or copy only the values, formulas, formats, displayed values, or comments. You can also keep the original column widths and row heights, so the pasted data stays easy to read. If some rows or columns are hidden, you can skip them and copy only the visible data. The copied ranges can be pasted into the current worksheet or a different worksheet. And if the result is not what you expected, press Ctrl+Z to undo it. So for one or two ranges, copying them separately may be enough. But for many non-adjacent ranges, Kutools makes the task faster, clearer, and easier to manage.